Welcome back to Laboratory Cognizance. Today, we're about to embark on a fascinating DIY project. We're going to craft a custom L-shaped cell spreader right here in your lab, using just a glass rod and a trusty lab lamp. It's a simple yet effective technique that's sure to elevate your cell culture experiments. So, let's dive in. Materials. All you need to get started is a glass rod and a reliable lab lamp. These everyday lab tools will be the key to creating your very own custom spreader. Steps. Here's the breakdown of the process. Step 1. Begin by heating the glass rod evenly. This is where the lab lamp comes into play, providing the controlled heat needed for the transformation. Step 2. With precision and care, bend the rod into that distinctive L shape. This carefully crafted form will serve as both the handle and the spreader edge. Step 3. Allow the glass to cool and solidify. Once it reaches room temperature, you'll have in your hands a one-of-a-kind, custom-made L-shaped cell spreader, ready to revolutionize your lab work. Advantages. Now, let's talk about why this DIY approach is worth it. Creating your own spreader allows for unparalleled precision. You're not only customizing it to your exact needs, but you're also being resourceful and cost-effective in the process. And there you have it, your very own handcrafted L-shaped cell spreader, tailored precisely to your lab's needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like and share. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more ingenious lab hacks right here on Laboratory Cognizance. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.